Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com, and I am continuing on in our Sew in 30 video for Simplicity 8550. This is the fourth video in the series, so definitely check out the others. You can just see what I was able to get done in 30 minutes with this pattern. So it's coming together really nicely. My favorite parts so far are these sleeves. I just love the way they're looking so far. So this video, we're going to be finishing up the facing. If you check out the third video, I always do this for the third video, you can see the problem that I ran into when I was doing the facing and how I decided to just fix it. I don't know if it's the right way, but it looks right to me, so I'm just gonna go with it. But that's in video 3, part 3 of this series, so definitely check that out. So we are now on step 39. I'm going to do the understitching for the facing, and then we'll move down to step 42. So yeah, where's my phone? Let's go ahead and get started. If you're just joining in and you see that I'm wearing the same shirt, it's the same exact day. Today is April 6th. Video 2, I was able to get 30 minutes in this morning, and right now I'm waiting for my older boys to come from school, so I had about an hour and a half of free time, so I figured why not sew a little bit. So I got 2 videos in so far, and this one's gonna be my 4th one. So yeah, let's work these 30 minutes. Use the time that you have and work toward your project getting complete. So let's go ahead, and it's 2 o'clock. Go ahead and get my timer. 30 minutes, we're ticking, so let's get going. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my understitching. I think I can get more done when the little one is down for a nap. I just lay her down for a nap. If y'all are wondering where she is, she's always in here dancing, writing on the board, on her tablet, something. She's always in here. So, but yeah, she's awesome. Step 44. Yes. We are on to the finishings. So many threads. Ew. Ew. Ooh, ooh. What did I do? Crazy. I thought I did that right though. If I could have bet money I did that on right. Okay, so yeah, it flows over here. I folded too much over before. It flows right here in. But I'm gonna bring mine up a little bit more since I already snipped that off. So now I gotta bring it up some more since I messed that up. I always mess up the simple stuff. It's crazy that I do that, but I always do. Wait, am I cutting right? I'm doing it right now? Now I'm paranoid, thinking I'm doing everything wrong. I think I got it right now. Okay, now let's see. There we go, Brittany. So now for my hem, I'm just going to fill that excess in. And you'll never know I just screwed that up, but yeah. All right, y'all, it's 2:30. That is the time for today. All right, y'all, so that's it. I'm really excited with what we were able to get done in 30 minutes with understitching the facing, putting the casing in, and then doing the sleeve elastic. That is amazing. And then we were able to do, press up our hem. So now we just have to sew the hem in place, and we're down to our final steps with top stitching our facing down and then doing our buttons and buttonholes, and we have a cute top. So really excited. This is the 4th video, so that means one more video obviously will be 5. So if you do 30 minutes of sewing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will have a completed top. How awesome is that, y'all? So again, if you're just joining, this is our Sew in 30 series. We're working on Simplicity 8550 View C. So make sure that you go back and watch the other videos. They are all 30-minute segments. So I'm really, really excited about this. I hope that you all are too. So make sure that you all come back for the final steps. Like I said, we are just about, I forgot to take the safety pin out. We are just about done here, y'all. So yeah, thank y'all so much for joining me. Again, come back for the last video, which will be the 5th video in this Sewing in 30 series for Simplicity 8550. I still have 30 minutes before the bus comes, so I'm going to use that time to finish these last 2 steps. So I'll see you all in the next video. Blessings, y'all. Bye.